A sputum culture is a medical test which examines a person's sputum. Sputum is collected from the person's tracheostomy tube and examined under the microscope, or it is coughed up and examined under the microscope. It is then cultured for the presence of bacteria or fungus. Once the bacteria is identified, it is then tested against various antibiotics. For each antibiotic tested, a minimum inhibitory concentration, or MIC, is reported. The MIC is the lowest concentration of antibiotic needed to inhibit the growth of an organism. A report is created which tells the doctor which antibiotics will be effective at curing the infection. Reports vary slightly from hospital to hospital, but in general, they will have the following information. It will report the source of the culture collected. For example, was it from urine, blood, sputum, etc.? Next, it will list where in the body the culture was taken from. Also, it will list if a bacteria or fungus was identified. There may be more than one organism listed. Some reports will also have a number next to the pathogen. For example, in this report, it is noted as 1 plus Pseudomonas aeruginosa. The number represents how much of the organism grew. A 1 plus means very little of the organism grew on the culture media. A 2 plus means few organisms grew on the culture media. A 3 plus means a moderate amount of organism grew on the culture media. And a 4 plus means many of the organism grew on the culture media. For each organism identified, there will be a list of antibiotics which were tested against it. The minimum inhibitory concentration, or MIC, is reported along with the interpretation of the MIC. The interpretation will be given as S, I, or R, which stands for susceptible, intermediate, and resistant. The report does not tell the clinician which antibiotic to use. It merely gives the provider data which he must interpret and use his judgment on which medicine to utilize. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like and subscribe down below. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye.